napag-isipan mong gumawa ng template sa Excel para sana sa team mo, sa project mo, or even sa small businesses mo, pero hindi mo alam paano magsimula kasi hindi mo alam anong design tsaka mga metrics na gagamitin. So, well, may mabilis na solusyon dyan sa problema mo. Super easy and free to download na mga pre-built templates. And most of us actually, including me, lately ko lang nalaman to. So, watch this video until the end. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, first things first, open Excel, pero do not click on blank workbook. Kasi karamihan sa ating nag-blank workbook agad. All you have to do is click on new. Ayan. So, again, most of us did not or do not even notice this na nasa harap na lang pala natin yung mga pre-built templates, no? They are free. Again, wag lang kayong bumili online, and I'm not saying do not support these creators, pero this is the easiest and fastest way for you to get started building your build a template inside Excel. Libre lang ito, guys. Make sure na may internet, syempre, para ma-download. Let's say you want to create attendance tracker for your team. So search mo lang attendance, click on OK, and then look for attendance, this one. Let's pick this up, then click on create. Lipat natin yung share, sorry. Ayan, sana nakita nyo na. So sorry guys, I won't be able to walk you through entirely sa template na to. Again, this video is just to show you how to download free templates sa Excel mismo, no? And here we are. You're looking at it, employee attendance record. Let's test this out if it's working. Employee 2, ayan, automatic mag-update yung mga numbers kasi nga may mga formula na siya. So, if you want to modify this, basic requirements guys, make sure na marunong kayong umintindi ng formula para ma-edit nyo siya according sa requirements nyo, according sa project nyo. Medyo complicated tong mga formula dito, but message me if you need help, no? Ayun lang, very nice templates, pre-built, andyan na yung mga kailangan yung formula, mga metrics. Edit nyo na lang yung mga metrics siguro if needed. Open tayo another example. Click on file, click on new, and then let's say project management. Enter. And then ayan, project tracker, create, mag-open yan, lipat natin yung share screen. Ayan, so ito yung project tracker, very simple yung design. Edit nyo na lang kung gusto nyo. Ayan, count if lang naman yan. So, madaling intindihin. I think that's it. No need to explain further. Sana alam nyo na kung paano gumawa or paano mag-download ng templates. And have fun. Just message me if you need help. So, ayun lang po. Maraming samalat. Samalat tuloy. Salamat sa panonood. Good luck sa pag-modify ng mga templates na yan. Warning lang po, suggestion lang po, wag nating i-resell tong mga templates na to kasi may mga restrictions sa Microsoft para dyan. So do your own research, di ko alam yung mga legalities behind that, but if you need help sa pag-modify ng mga templates, feel free to reach out, message me sa TikTok or sa mga social media accounts. By the way, paki-follow po ng mga social media accounts ko, ilalagay ko sa description or sa comments. I'm still trying to build my audience kasi baguhang content creator pa lang ako. So if you want to learn more, upskill, learn more tips and tricks, learn more knowledge about other productivity tools, please follow me. Ilalagay ko sa description and comments yung mga profile ko or mga links ng mga social media accounts ko. So yun lamang po. Good luck and have fun. See you guys again soon. Bye bye.